Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're solving systems of inequalities, and you're going to like this because it's cakewalk. So first of all, you have to solve for y. And in this first example, and I'm starting on example 2, by the way, for those of you numberly challenged, 2 comes after 1. For some of you, it might be. So I'm solving for y, and so there's a couple things you have to remember. So first of all, if it's this symbol or this symbol, it's a solid line. And if it's this symbol or this symbol, it's a dotted line. And if it's a solid line, the solution is included. And the dotted line, the solution is not included. And I'll show you what I mean by that. And if you have one of these signs, we're going to shade below. So I'm going to graph the top one first. So I'm going to start at 2. So there's the dot. And the minus 3, I go down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. Bless you. And is this going to be, bless you, solid or a dotted line? Solid because it has the line under it. So I'm going to try to make this a straight line and solid. Well, not so good, but I did my best. So then take your pencil and put it on the y-intercept. And is it less than or greater than? This says y is less than, right? You see, y is less than? So less than means you want to shade below. So where's below the 2? So it's these numbers down here, right? So we're shading below the line. You understand what I'm saying? Somebody shake their sleepy head. Yes, thank you. All right, so we're going to shade this way. So then if I shade the second one, if I start at negative 3, and this goes up 1 over 1, and it's a dotted line because it doesn't have a line. Bless you. So if I start here, this time I want to shade above. So if I shade above the purple line, it goes this way. So where does it overlap? Do you see the purple and the pink? So here's where it overlaps. And this is your solution set in here. I don't know what you do with it because you can't make yours pretty, but so then the question is, are these points part of the solution set? So negative 4, negative 4. Is that in the yellow? Yes, so this is a yes. How about 0, 3? It's outside, it's a no. How about 6, 5? It's in the purple, but not the yellow, so it's a no. How about negative 2, 3? So that's a yes. So, right here, this point right here on that dotted line, if that was one of the points they were asking you about, it's on a dotted line and it's no. The answer is no. But if it's on the solid line, like this point right there, and it's in the yellow, then the answer is yes. That's included. Okay? So points on a solid line in the yellow part, they're included, but the points on the dotted line on the yellow, they're not. Okay? That's the difference between the solid and the dotted. All right. Everybody solve for y and graph this when I take attendance. So this is what I got for the first one. That took me so long. I'm glad most of you waited and like saved up your energy to get rolling on this problem. But so when I do this one, then the y-intercept is 3, which is again really difficult to plop that point down on the graph. It almost broke my hand to do that. But then the minus 2/3, right? I'm going to count down 2 and over 3. Down 2 and over 3. And am I going to have a solid or a dotted line? Solid. And then which way do I shade? Above or below? Above, right? Ooh, look at that straight line. Woo! I'm pretty proud of that. That's like almost artistic and all. So then I'm going to have this one. And so this is a minus y, right? So can I add the y to this side and subtract the 5? So I'm going to get 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to y. Is that anybody? If you did it the other way, you have to divide by -1 and change the sign, which you get the same thing. It's all good. So this time, this is on this side though, right? So I want to rewrite it. So y is greater. So I'm going to start at minus 5, go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Solid or dotted line? Solid. Oh, not so straight that time. And I'm shading above. So this is me shading above. And where does it overlap? Right here in this V area. So 4, 2. 4, 1, 2. Is that on the line? Is it on yours? My line might be off. Is it on there or not? It is? So if it's on the line, it's solid, and that's a yes. 5, 9. Is yours not on the line? Okay. If I erase that, it's going to erase a bunch of stuff. 5, 9, is that a yes or no? Yeah, that's a yes. 6, -1, that's a no. And 1, 3, that's a yes.